Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2024, and we're diving into the first quarter fiscal 2025 results of ADP, a global leader in human capital management solutions. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss ADP's latest earnings report, which showcases their strong start to fiscal 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ADP reported a revenue increase of 7% to $4.8 billion. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
ADP's revenue growth is primarily driven by strong new business bookings and high client revenue retention. The company also benefited from increased interest on client funds, which rose by 26% to $253 million. This reflects ADP's effective investment strategy and robust client base.
And how about profitability? The net earnings increased by 11% to $956 million with an EPS of 2.34. What does this tell us about ADP's financial health?
ADP's profitability is impressive, with a 13% increase in adjusted EBIT to $1.2 billion and an adjusted EBIT margin expansion of 130 basis points to 25.5%. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management, contributing to their bottom-line growth.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. ADP recently acquired Workforce Software for $1.2 billion. How does this acquisition fit into their strategic goals?
The acquisition of Workforce Software enhances ADP's global workforce management solutions, particularly for large enterprises. This move aligns with their strategy to expand their product offerings and drive innovation in human capital management.
ADP also introduced the ADP Lyric HCM platform. What impact do you expect this to have on their business?
ADP Lyric HCM is designed to be a flexible and intelligent platform, which should attract more enterprise clients looking for comprehensive HR solutions. This innovation is likely to support ADP's revenue growth guidance of 6 to 7% for the full year.
Segment performance and client fund strategy. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Employer Services and PEO Services fare this quarter?
Both segments showed solid performance with a 7% revenue increase. Employer Services benefited from a 2% increase in U.S. pays per control, while PEO Services saw a 3% rise in average worksite employees. However, PEO Services margin decreased slightly by 80 basis points.
ADP's client fund strategy also seems to be paying off. Can you elaborate on that?
Absolutely. Interest on funds held for clients increased by 26% to $253 million, with an average yield of 3.1%. This reflects ADP's prudent investment strategy and contributes significantly to their financial performance.
Future outlook and leadership statements. Looking ahead, what is ADP's outlook for the rest of fiscal 2025?
ADP has updated its guidance, expecting adjusted diluted EPS growth of 7% to 9%. They anticipate continued revenue growth driven by strategic investments and acquisitions like Workforce Software.
What insights did the company leadership provide regarding these results?
CEO Maria Black emphasized the strong start to fiscal 2025 and the strategic progress made with recent acquisitions and product launches. CFO Don McGuire highlighted that their revenue and margin performance exceeded expectations, driven by strong client retention and new business growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, ADP has delivered a robust performance in the first quarter of fiscal 2025, with significant revenue and earnings growth. Their strategic acquisitions and product innovations position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts on ADP as an investment?
ADP's strong financial performance and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment, especially with their focus on innovation and client retention. Investors should keep an eye on their continued execution of these strategies.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ADP's performance in the comments below. Until next time.